nandito na tayo. Read me. Oh. Okay, 100% volume. Anong tutorial? Okay. Your job is to determine whatever the person wants to enter. Neighbor. Miss any details? Oh, okay. Okay. Yo, hello. Hello, and congrats to your new job. As you saw in the short film, your job is to verify the entry of the neighbor of your building. Everybody was, okay. Good luck out there, soldier. Oh, okay. Start na natin. Let's go. Hello, brother. Hello. Oh, meron siyang entry request, identification document. Ano pangalan mo? Siya si Frances Moses. Moses. Ala ka dito sa listahan. Pero meron siyang ID and then EQ. Wala kang, wala kang today list. I am not on today list? Yes. I should be on the list. No, you're not here. There must be an error. No, wala ka dito. Frances. Wala. You kinda suspicious, huh? Uh-huh. I've already answered. Nah, you're not. You're not here. You're not good. First time pa lang meron na agad impostor. Hello? Yes. You clean it. Cleaning protocol completed. You may continue your job. Yes, thank you. Oh no, may parating. Good afternoon. Oh, good afternoon. Yeah. Uh-huh. Roman. Si Roman. Okay. Medyo suspicious yung ilong mo ah. Um, hmm. Yo, what is this? Pupunta na ako sa heaven. Bye-bye. Oh, napakalayo naman na ito. Oh, bumalik ako. Oh, wait, what? Eh, yo! Di ko nasari pinto. Who are you? Di kita kilala? Celine Isbarbarchef. Celine Isbarbarchef. Tingnan natin yung kanyang mukha. Okay, parehas lang ng pangit. Sabihin natin yung appearance. Yes, your appearance. You're not good. There is nothing wrong with my appearance. Yes, there is. There's something wrong with your appearance. Your mouth and then your eyes. Oh, yung eyes mo. Ba't nakapikit ka? Yun na nga, pwede na pumasok. Sabay. Isira mo araw ko eh. Hapon pala. Hello, brother. Good day, mate. Wala ka dito sa listahan. Macloy. Dito pala si Rude Boy. Rude Boys. Baka mamaya impostor ka ah. Hang in there. Yeah, hello. Uy, nagpupush up yung pusa oh. Yo! Nag... Lo! Sino pinapasok ko? Oh! Double... Doubles capture. What? Doubles allowed. Huh? Tatlo? Wait, what? No mustache. Oh! Higher face. Si Alf Capuchin. Sino yun? Wala akong pinapasok na ganun. Maclo... Macloy Rude Boys. Expired ID. Ah! Di ko tinignan yung ano, ID. Pinapasok ko lang bigla. Neighbor killed. Buti naman wala napatay na neighbor. Okay. So, paano mag-restart? Isa pa. Isa pang game. Hindi ako papayag na matatalo lang ako. Come on. Come on. Let me restart. Okay, okay. Call 911. 911. Hindi. Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay. Wala kang entry request. Wait. Hanggang kailan ba naglalas yung ID? Kasi sabi expired daw kanina. So, ito. December 2016. Margaret Bubbles. May bubbles. Paano ko makikita mabuti kung may kulang ba dyan? Napakaliit ang picture. Hmm. Di ba pwede makita yung ano? Sige na nga. Tanungin natin siya kung nasan yung entry request niya. Entry request. I am a resident of this structure. I live in the second room. On the second room of the second floor. But wala naman ata dito second floor ah. Sige na nga. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Chill, brother. Kapapasok mo lang eh. Yeah. 911. DDD. Documentary Development Adoption. Eh, katagal naman no. Okay na, okay na. Cleaning protocol completed. Okay. Ay, kakapagod yun ah. Folder? What? Oh, may mga folder. Oh, okay. Dito ko malalaman kung saan sila nakatira. Okay. Floor 1, floor 2, floor 3. Pare-parehas lang naman. Okay. Okay, what's your name, brother? Siya si Roman Stilining Sky. At Roman Stilining siya Sky. Wala kang entry request. Okay. I am a resident of this structure. I come from my job as a public accountant. Hmm. Apartment. First floor. First floor. Siya. Ito siya. Siya ay accountant. Okay. One eyebrow. Scar on right chin. Long face. Big nose. Yo, ba't may mustache ka? Wala kang mustache, bro. Na, di ka na ako maloko dun ah. May mustache siya. Haha. I'm so good at this. Hehe. Hello, you can't. Hello, you can't talk that the DDD. You may continue your job. Oh, pwede pala umupo. Pwede pala umupo dito eh. Kanina pa ako nakatayo eh. Nangawit tuloy ako. Hello, good boy. Ha? Good boy ba? Good boy, tama ba yung nabasa ko? Oh, good day yun. Basta good boy na nabasa ko. Anyways, ano pa? Wait, what? Wala kang binigay sa akin? Na, bruh. Mukhang andito ka naman, pero wala ka sa... Sorry, you forgot to show your ID and identity request. Margaret Bubbles. You are Bubbles. Naka-check yung ID. Oh, dapat naka-check at saka may 8 dun sa gilid. Ah, F20, F02, and 303. Basta, hindi ko alam. I'm a resident of the structure. I come from a job as a leather worker. Okay. Leather worker. Leather worker. Curly hair. Deviate tail left eyes. What's that supposed to mean? Round nose, big smile. Bak malalaman kung yung big smile ka. Hello? Parang napaka-creepy mo ha. ID number 111-53133. 111-53133. 12. Okay, tama naman. Phone number 6431. Mali, mali, mali. Paano ko malalaman yung ID? Yung number? Wala nakalagay na number. Dito may nakalagay. Phone number. Ba't wala ka phone number? Ano yung phone number mo? Wala ka phone number. Okay, naka-check naman yung kanyang ID. Dito naman siya sa guest list. Papasukin na natin yan. Okay. Upo tayo. Good afternoon. Where's your ID? You don't have an ID. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Meron siyang ano sa kanan. Wait, parang kakaiba yung ulo niya. May mali. First floor siya, di ba? Big nose, scar, long face, one eyebrow. Parang hindi naman long yung face nito. 4831. 4831. Parang hindi ako naniniwala. I live on the first room of the first floor. First room of the first floor. First room of the first floor. At the first floor. At the first room. Okay. Siya daw si Roman Stilningsky. At nasa guest list ka naman. Um, I think pwede ka naman pumunta. Pero parang suspicious pa rin ako sa kanyang ulo eh. Parang napakataba ng ulo niya. Oo, parang may mali. Check ko nga ulit. Baka magkamali ako eh. Okay. Oh, masyado lang pala akong body shaming. Bye-bye. Hello? Yo, wala kang... Uy, kapapasok mo lang kanina. Di pa pumasok na siya? Or pwede maulit? Kapapasok mo lang eh. Tatawag ako ng treat. Yo, what? Kala ko namatay na naman ako eh. Nag-bug lang, nag-glitch lang pala yung aking telepono. Hello, you have contacted the DDD. Okay, thank you. At pala tinatandaan ko yung mga nakakapasok, ano. Paano ko malalaman kung sino yung nakapasok na? Pero tinandaan yung mga mukha eh. Wait. Napatay ako? Ha? Click to see details. Fake ID. Mole. Ay, dalawa. Pinapasok silang dalawa? Parehas yung... Wait. Huh? Pinapasok ko? Sure kayo? Neighbors killed. Pinatay nila si Margaret. So, lahat ng impostor ay si Margaret. Dalawang beses na tayo nakatry pero di pa rin tayo nanalo. Pero yun lang muna siguro guys. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Please like and subscribe. At yun lang. Bye-bye.